All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. This is number 9 from 2-3. They're asking us to find the horizontal tangent lines, okay, to this function. All right, this is a really important problem. So we got it typed into my TI. That's what the graph looks like. So it looks like there's going to be a horizontal tangent line there and a horizontal tangent line there. Now, what you're going to start learning is that horizontal tangent lines take place at really important points on the graph. It's the point where the graph goes from increasing to decreasing or from decreasing to increasing. So they're relative maximums or minimums, okay? Now, remember that the slope of a horizontal line is 0. So we're looking for lines where y equals 0, okay? 0x, sorry. All right, here we go. So how are we going to do that? Well, we need to look at our line and find the equation of the slopes of the tangent line. So that's the derivative. So f prime of x is low d high, so x minus 2 times the derivative of the top minus high d low, x squared times the derivative of the bottom, all over low. And I'm not going to square that out yet. All right, so what does that give us? That gives us 2x squared minus 4x minus x squared all over x minus 2 squared. All right, so that's messy. Sorry. You get x squared minus 4x over your denominator. Now, all right, focus on what we're doing. We're trying to figure out where is this thing, at what value of x do I put in for this thing to give me 0? Oh, okay. So I just got to figure out, I got to solve this thing. I got to set this thing equal to 0. So at x equals 0 or x equals 4, we have horizontal tangent lines, but they're looking for what points are there horizontal tangent lines. So you got to take that and put it back into your original. They want the points. So the first point is 0. Put in a 0 for x. I get a 0 for y. The second point is 4, comma, we get 16 on top, 2 on the bottom, 4, comma, 8. And if you look at my original graph, that looks pretty good. 0, 0, looks like that's a point. And if you look at 4, 8, that looks like that's a horizontal tangent line. Hope that helps. Boom!